Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to 2 miles per gallon RC. I'm Gage, and today we're recustomizing my UDR, and I'm gonna skip the whole crazy intro and all that stuff and just hop straight into it. Now, what we have is Spaz Sticks spray paint specifically for polycarbonate, as well as some Tamiya colors, and then we have our clear UDR body. And a very, very special thing that I picked up and ordered online that I think y'all are gonna like. Now, I do apologize if there's some background noise going on right now. It is pouring down rain outside. However, I gotta get a video out. We are way behind. I have some other projects going on that we ran into some hiccups and I have to wait for parts and stuff like that. So we're gonna pump out a video. I've been meaning to do this, but I've been putting it on the back burner. I've also been waiting for this guy. Now, this is a sticker sheet from a brand called MCI Racing. They're a Canadian company and they make custom decals specific for RC cars. Now, you can order them a million different ways. They have so many different decal sets, anything from brands to sponsors to actual liveries, NASCAR, NAS truck, Baja trucks, short course trucks. If you just want flames or designs, they have all that. And you can choose your scale as well for every single one of them, all the way down to, I believe, 1/32nd scale, which is pretty damn small, and then all the way up to about 1/5 or 1/4 scale. Now, oh goodness, I'm sure you've seen by the thumbnail what we're gonna be doing, but it's a design that I haven't seen on any other UDR thus far. Now, I have seen some Ken Block stuff, however, not this specific one, as this is specific to his Focus. So I thought it was a little fitting because it's their Project E Focus. This is an electric RC car. I thought it was kind of neat. It's a little different. I think it'll look pretty cool. Now, for paints from Spaz Sticks, we have their Anvil Gray. We also have their Battleship Gray. And then lastly, their flat solid white. From Tamiya, I went ahead and picked up some of their black spray paint. It's just regular black. Nothing special there. I wish I would have ordered some Spaz Sticks black, but we're gonna try and work with what I have. I have one full can and one like quarter can. Should be enough. We'll see. It's kind of a lot that needs to get covered in black, but now, from MCI, you can order these sheets a very special way, and that's what I've done here. You can actually order them reverse printed. So if I show you the decal set, it's just flat white. Everything's super washed out. However, for something that's really cool, face y'all towards the light, and then I put the sticker sheet in front. Look at that. This is that same white sheet. Here's the back. The color is there, it's just reverse printed. How cool. Now, why would we actually want to do this? This will allow us to put the stickers on from the inside, and it prevents them from getting scuffed or scratched or completely ripped off whenever we flip or roll or rack or anything like that. It keeps it a little bit more protected. And I think that's gonna be what we want for something like this. So, without further ado, let's clean the body and we're gonna get to sticking on all these stickers. Now, the one downside going through MCI, which I wish they did, is they don't pre-cut any of the stickers. So we're gonna have to go through and cut out every single sticker, which sucks, but we'll get it done. So I'm gonna do that. We'll prep the body and then we'll get straight into painting.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, we got everything on there. We even got the masking tape on as well. We got it covered up and we're gonna start spraying a little bit of color. Hopefully it turns out well. I do have a little bit, oh goodness, let's see. Yeah, it's right here. So on the right here is what we're gonna be doing in the back, backed with black next to it for the checker pattern. And then this lighter gray is gonna go with the white in the front. So hopefully that turns out pretty good. We'll kind of see. I'm not too happy with those grays, but it should still look really good, especially right next to the color that it's going to be with. So right next to the white or right next to the black. Oh my goodness, what is happening? Strange. Okay, my lights are not working at the moment. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. We're kind of running out of light here to film it, so we're just gonna skip that. I'm gonna skip ahead to when it's painted, and then we'll start peeling off everything, and it should look good. Fingers crossed. All right, I'll see you there.
6.5 hours later.
All right, we're finally done. It is quite foggy here in the garage right now. I should probably open up that door. However, it turned out okay. The quality turned out a lot better than I thought it would, but I'm not the happiest with the color, or at least the shades of the grays. The gray that's against the white, I wanted it to be a little bit lighter, and the gray that's against the black, I wanted it to be a lot darker. But for what it is, it's not terrible. Look at that. It's really not bad. Now the gray that's against the black is a little bluish. Not the biggest fan of that. And if you know what this vehicle is supposed to look like, it's supposed to be like almost a shadow of the checkered pattern. It's not supposed to be this prominent, but it really doesn't look terrible. I'm not too upset with it. Everything pops on it. I'm pretty happy. Now we still need to take off the wrap, and it should look even cleaner. Oh man. And then we can throw it on the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead, let's unwrap it and go from there. I think I have the wrap set up to where I can get a pretty satisfying peel. Oh yeah. That looks so much better with the wrap off. Oh no, okay. Well, it tore there. We'll have to go back. This always has such a high potential to be satisfying, but I can never get it quite right. Okay. Oh man. Just like that, it is on and good to go. Oh my goodness. It really does look so good, especially with the stickers underneath. It looks like paint. Like all the decals just look like paint. That is nuts looking. Now with the exception of some air bubbles that I probably should have worked a little harder to get out, she is looking fantastic. Oh my goodness, love to see it. This thing is absolutely amazing. Oh, it turned out so good. Well, with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little short video of me completely redoing the UDR again. Now with that being said, if you're interested in doing something similar to this, or you want the reversed print stickers, go check out MCI Racing. I'm not sponsored at all, just a cool company that we came across and I figured I'd share it. Can't gatekeep everything. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, peace out.